Whether your door has a nasty dent or simply doing a complete restoration, you'll be happy to hear that we carry an authentic reproduction. And Dennis, and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1968 Chevelle outer door skins. Sold individually or in a pair at a discounted price, our outer door skins are identical to the originals. Each panel is manufactured complete from 20-gauge steel using case-hardened steel tooling for accuracy and authentic fit. These skins are patterned from original doors and feature the cutouts for door handles and locks to ensure a perfect fit on your coupe or convertible. At the end of the production line, each door skin is finished with an electrodeposit primer, also known as an EDP coating. The EDP coatings are used to protect against rust and corrosion, so you have ample time to prep and paint your part without worrying about potential rust. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.